Hey everybody, James here, Black Wolf Outdoors. As some of y'all know, I'm going to be going fishing later today. Put up a community post about it or anything. I threw the minnow trap in probably, I don't know, been a couple hours or so ago. We're down here in the creek on my property, or not my property, but family property I live on. So let's walk down there and check it out, see what we got. Oh yeah. I don't know how well that's seen in the water. Let's pull it up. Oh yeah, I got some good decent sized creek chubs. We're gonna put it back in, let it soak a lot longer until I'm ready to go later. There we go. Hopefully get some more big ones, because pretty good haul so far. And there's a lot more bigger ones in there. I'm going to move it to the other side next time. All right, well, that's one bait secured. Guess I'll poke around, see what I can do for worms. But I'll see y'all later on, hopefully, while I'm out fishing. All right, peace.